Well, in the post-Grenfell era, as we all live now, the golden thread about bringing together the design early, it's like the BIM journey. Everything got moved towards the front, so you'd model things more accurately than you would when you were using 2D AutoCAD or something like that. But I think the golden thread is all about the people, the people involved in running the building, designing the building, all of the stakeholders in the building, making sure that the buildings are designed safely.
So the golden thread is really about a holistic approach to creating, sharing and managing the information about a building or a facility right from the very outset.
So for me, the golden thread is about just having the highest level of specification data to make it really, really easy for a specifier to be confident in the product they're specifying. So it puts that onus back on the specifier to be responsible for their specification. It's no longer the information was a bit woolly, the information was a bit scarce. It's here is all this data, it's on you to make sure this is appropriate for your product. But obviously the only way they can do that is by having this golden thread of information, by having this real in-depth, detailed technical specification that they can be sure that they can, trust what they're specifying.
Well, the golden thread, to our understanding, is the most up-to-date record of building data, which should operate from design stage through to occupation of buildings. The purpose behind it is meant to encourage transparency and accountability, and in turn support culture change in the construction industry. In terms of digitized specifications, this is essentially our audit trail on a project.
It is an accountable, traceable chain of data that is held digitally, that is from the conception right through the full lifespan of the building. So it makes it a safer environment for everyone.
Surely if you're going to operate a building, you need to know the constituent parts of that building and all the systems all the way through the process.
There needs to be a clear execution plan in terms of an agreed execution plan from the contractors to the designers to the consultants and the client. So that clearly sets out who fulfills what role and what the responsibilities are in that regard.
Manufacturers' product data is key to making the golden thread work, or having this golden thread working. It's, if we can all provide the highest level of data, then it gives the specifier, the most choice, the ultimate choice, and it means they can be confident in the product. It gives them that real strong foundation for the specification.
It's that packaged data that is available from day one, from the early stages of the design process, which means that everybody has traceability and everybody can prove what the material does, why it's been specified, how important it is to the specification for safety reasons, and that everybody can see that at any time through the whole project, right from the acorn where it's thought about right through to the O&M manual at the end. That thread of information must be there for everybody to access for us to be able to build safe buildings.
Having a box of files in a cardboard box in the boiler room at the end of the process, at the end, its handover is not really a sustainable way of managing a building. You really need to start at the beginning and intelligently manage the information that building is going to need in terms of its design and its construction and its operation.
The golden thread is new to us as manufacturers. We've only just sort of really become aware of it. We understand that it's going to be like a blueprint of the entire journey. Hate to use that word, the entire journey of a building, and just a blueprint of all of the parts of that building. And we're quite excited about that for a couple of reasons. Is the first reason is that where we're often specified, like many manufacturers, we can find that our products get substituted at a later stage for cheaper materials. Now, a lot of people are buying clay plasters, for example, because of their health and sustainability benefits, because of the certifications that we have. So if our products were to be substituted, then you don't get that guarantee of say the EPD or the fire safety or any of the other testing that we've invested in.
So it's so important then that you have accurate product data at the beginning of things, so that criteria can be set and realistic objectives can also be met, and you're not having to adjust things, and therefore your outcome is going to be of higher quality.